Guys, ready for some leche flan? Tikman natin kung masarap. In English, let's try it. If it's good. But of course it's gonna be good. Mmm. That's what heaven on earth tastes like. I already killed 1/3 of it. In Tagalog, pinatay ko yung leche flan. I don't know what 1/3 is in Tagalog. See, look.